Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times over the past few months, although it's been several days since the last update I did, and just quickly want to touch base with it as the price went to new lows, not new lows, but lows that it hasn't seen for a while. There was a nice level of support right here at 70 cents. You can see, going through the history, multiple times the bears kept trying to push down through it, but the bulls held, and then a bunch more times right there, bulls held, and then bulls held. However, today the bulls could not hold, and the price did break down below there. So that's kind of the newest step that the bears have made in terms of their quest to continue to remain in control. So how am I going to define in control there? Because I realize that's a total blanket statement, very broad statement. But the nice thing about charts is you can actually quantify statements like that. So from a charting perspective and from a quote-unquote story perspective, how can we quantify in control? And for me, it's all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is below it, that implies, bearishness. And, in a very black and white sense, as long as the price remains above this purple line, which continues to slope downwards, then the bears are in full control. Any sort of upwards price action should be looked at very skeptically. Case in point right here. This was a great bounce, no doubt about it, but it never was able to get up above that purple line, and you see the results of that. A complete dead cat bounce as the price rolled back over. So at this price here, which right now it is starting to bounce again, and maybe this is the start of some sort of bigger reversal, but at this moment in time, be skeptical of it until the bulls can prove themselves. How can they quote-unquote prove themselves? Well, again, it goes back to the purple line. Let's see if the price can not only break above the level, but then start to close above it. And I say that because right here you can see, yeah, the price broke above that purple line, but as far as maintaining and staying above it, could never quite do it. So purple line definitely the level in terms of measuring the strength or lack thereof in regards to the bears. But right now, bears are in full control, and in my opinion, at least remain so as long as the price is below that purple line. So we'll see if the bulls can build something up and try to get up above there or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.